Hey everyone, this is James, and this is the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. First of all, this is not investment advice. Second of all, I would just like to go over the overall trend. So we hit the bubble phase, we topped out, we produced a series of lower highs and lower lows to accompany that. We've recently changed that, okay, with putting a lower high above the 6,000 bottom at roughly 6,400, producing a higher high above the 9177 high right here, and price is still holding above that level, showing buying strength. I talked about this in yesterday's video that I do think that price is going to try to make one more push upward. If it does make one more push, it could potentially top out in roughly the 10,000 area. If we top out in that area and start to roll over, then more than likely what's going to happen is the corrective move. The corrective move should lead down to maybe the mid 8,000 or 8,000 range, okay? The low 8,000 I meant. And then from there, basically what we'll be producing is a series of higher lows and higher highs. So there we go, and then blah blah blah, and then you obviously get exactly what's occurring. We're creating an uptrend in the market from a rounded bottom, which is typically a change in direction. It can sometimes be a continuation in direction as well too. So if for some reason price decided to roll over and we start breaking below the 8,000 range, then to the bottom we go, and that's just a simple crayon drawing of a mountain right here. Just look at that. It'd be like a beautiful mountain if it did happen. I doubt it's going to happen. Like, honestly, the probability of that is probably the probability of you winning the lottery. So right now, based on everything that I see here, based on the price action, there's a lot of strength in here. You can obviously see that every single sell-off is being bought into, whether you believe it's manipulation from the exchanges or big money or whatever. It does not matter. We are continuously moving up per every single thing. As long as these lines hold, okay, your support lines, which this support line could actually kind of be brought out. We obviously have a safety net just a little bit deeper into price. Hang on real quick. Somehow missed that. But, you know, so you kind of have a buffer zone working out here on this chart too, somewhere right in there, but still it's the low 8,000 range. You give that up, a sayonara Bitcoin, because it's going to go down and it's going to be brutal, especially from this level with this much hype around it. So anyways, everything looks good. Basically, I'm expecting an attempt for one more push based on this price action. If we decide to roll over and give up the support line, we're obviously just going to start to move into that corrective zone. If we top out, if we start to hit that 10,000 range, that's where price is more than likely going to run out of energy. Running out of energy is going to lead to price rolling over and coming for a deeper corrective move. Now, if all of a sudden price just starts to go crazy vertical, well, there's no accounting for that, all right? That's just all like, you know, that's just the pure luck, pure luck. If price just goes straight vertical, like a $14 or $100 bar or some wild and crazy, you know, magical unicorn bar forms and price goes crazy, then obviously we'll just have to wait for price to settle at that time. But at some point, there's going to be a deeper corrective move in this market. There always is. People did not think once price kind of based out in this range and we got this wild and crazy push to the upside that there was going to be a corrective move. Everybody thought it was going to shoot to $400 trillion per Bitcoin, and you can obviously see what happened. Boom. And then we failed to make the higher high, and price obviously started to move down. So anyways, as of right now, it looks like price is going to try to make one more push. That push, I believe, leads to the corrective move. That corrective move leads to another higher low, and then obviously another run for a higher high. Then we'll establish the uptrend, and price will obviously work itself into a bull market that could easily go the rest of the year, okay? So that's it for tonight. It's pretty quick, simple analysis. Not much is updated since Saturday night. I do thank you for your time. I thank you for your support. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, you're interested in trading cryptocurrency, I do have a free Slack channel. That free Slack channel is available to everyone. Does not matter where you are in the world. There's about 300 members now, people from all over the world. People share their opinions, their news, they share charts. It's a really nice and friendly community of like-minded people to be a part of. And like I said, it's free. In Slack, you can view from your desktop, you can view it from your phone through the app, whatever makes it easier for you. But the whole idea is just to be a part of a community of people that are like-minded, who are sharing their own thoughts and opinions, who are also trading Bitcoin on a daily basis, as well as alternative coins too. So anyways, you can view that link. You can have access to that link at my site, geometriccharts.com. At the bottom, I have a link to my social media account, and I have a link to my Slack channel. I also provide a subscription service that I basically provide multiple videos a day, as well as charts for Bitcoin, some of the altcoins, stocks, commodities, and Forex. So I typically trade a lot of stocks, I trade a lot of commodities, and then I'll do the Bitcoin as well as the futures market. But anyways, if you need like more hand-holding, or you want to know like my price analysis and like where I would buy, where I would sell, things like that, like, you know, multiple times a day, then that is you can find more information about that at geometriccharts.com. That's basically the subscription service in a nutshell. And I do offer a 7-day money back guarantee. I think I'm the only investment service on the internet that even offers a money back, like a 7-day money back guarantee or something like that. I think a money back guarantee period at all. I don't think there's any service that does that. But I'm not in it to take people's money. If you don't find it valuable, I'll give you your money back, right? I do well enough to where, you know, this is just paying me for my time to kind of, you know, spend more time with the charts, analysis, and so forth, and to be available to you throughout the day. So, but anyways, I don't want to digress on all that. If you want to learn more about it, you can check out the site. You can also email me too if you're interested. But other than that, I do thank you for your time. I thank you for your support. And, you know, I definitely am really appreciative of my subscriber base, and, you know, again, the support that I get, the positive comments I'm continuously getting on each video. I hope everybody finds this information educational. Today's video is pretty short, but it's because we're kind of rehashing almost the same things, because the price action just did not change since Saturday. And sometimes you get days like that, you know, so, and that's what makes it tough. Like, trying to do daily videos is sometimes there's not much happening. And in this case, you know, that's what it is. But so far, everything's looking good. And other than that, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow evening. And I hope you have a great day or a great night and a great week ahead, no matter where you are in the world.